Our non-profit organization is called TARiC, which stands for Think Africa Research and Innovation Center. I will go through a brief introduction, what we're trying to do, our missions. I'm also going to talk about the activities and projects we've been doing so far. And I'll also conclude with talking about the challenges and opportunities. Starting off with why. So we're just a group of enthusiastic students that came together to start something exciting. Our founder, Lu'ul, he had an ambition of helping the youth, helping his local community through STEM. And we were also university students back then, so we shared the same kind of energy and enthusiasm with him, and we decided to start this center. So TARiC is a non-profit organization that provides young and passionate innovators with the space they need to help them develop their ideas, gain hands-on experience and skills, and basically bring their vision into reality, while at the same time building solutions for our community. We believe creating an all-inclusive environment helps us get more ideas from the students. Fun fact about our name, TARiC literally translates into the word history in Amharic, and we want to make history with our research center, so that's why we chose the word TARiC. We in fact call our students TARiCians or TARiC Sari, which directly translates into historians or history makers. So they're on the path of making history, as our ambition and goals for this center is very big. Our mission is to empower the youth in Ethiopia. Most of the youth are in the age, high school students and undergraduate students in the age of 15 to 23 or 24. And we want to empower them and expose them to research and innovation that is missing from the regular education curriculum. We have a vision, in fact, a bigger vision of transforming Africa into a hub of research. We don't want to constrain ourselves to Ethiopia as well, because Ethiopia's problem is also Africa's problem. So we want to transform Africa into a hub of research and innovation that addresses our societal and environmental challenges through sustainable solutions. In terms of goals, like I said, we want to provide young innovators with the resources, skills, mentorships, and network they need to pursue their ideas and projects. We also like to foster a culture of curiosity, creativity, collaboration among themselves to become better students. We would also like to engage with the community and stakeholders to identify real problems and to be able to solve them that are going to be relevant for the community. And hopefully we would like to disseminate and share our findings and learnings with the public and the academic world. So in terms of what we were doing the past few months, we mostly work on various Arduino related, where we were designing solar trackers, fingerprint door locks, basically to get the students ready into understanding what Arduinos are. We also teach our students about programming, electronics, design, and simple fabrication using our 3D printer. We try to explore CCU technologies and renewable energy systems as well, because like I said, our goal is to focus and dial down on sustainable solutions. We visit local workshops. For example, this is a local workshop where we visited. This is a part of a plastic recycling machine, which is a washer. And we try to collaborate with other partners, NGOs, and universities as well. In fact, we also showcase our work at exhibitions and competition. And for the work they did on their solar trackers, the students have won first place for the regional competition. And our future work on CCU, for example, includes we have read that there is a research ongoing on cultivating algae to capture CO2 directly from the air and to produce biofuels and animal feeds and even fertilizers and bioplastics. So in particular, this is very interesting for countries like Ethiopia, because we are in desperate need of the products like the ones I mentioned now, like the fertilizers. The biofuels are very important for communities that cannot afford oil or something like that. So not only that, there is also a similar plant in Ethiopia, plant that has the same kind of biology with algae, which is called mboch. And if we try to understand how this works, we can transform the technology to utilize that to mboch, because mboch is an invasive plant that is drying out lakes. We need a solution for that. So We also like to see or read or more research on carbon mineralization to convert CO2 into useful products from construction materials like concretes or even fertilizers. If we can do that, that will be a great help for our community. In terms of challenges and opportunities, we face various challenges in terms of lack of funding, equipment, and space, and even awareness. These are some of the challenges we were managing through. We leveraged most of our equipment and materials from local authorities who were kind enough to give us most of these equipment. And we also seek opportunities such as grants, donations, sponsorships, and media coverage as well. But we overcome our challenges by being resourceful, by using the materials we have at hand effectively. We are resilient about it, and we are innovative. In terms of that, for example, like I said, we have also did an inventory management system for our little inventory, basically. We leverage our opportunities by being proactive, professional, and impactful. And thank you very much, for giving us this opportunity. And we would like you to join us in our efforts to make sustainable research accessible to a wider audience, especially in communities like Ethiopia.